let's see what are the adjectives. Adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. It describes a noun or a pronoun. And what does it tell us about a noun or a pronoun? It tells us about the size, shape, quality, state, feelings, and the duration, number, or the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Well, it actually answers the questions how many and how much. Like, it will be telling us about the noun or pronoun, and it will be describing it in the way that it will answer the questions what kind, how many, which one, and how much. Well, there are different types of adjectives. These are the following. Let's see how many types of adjectives are. We have descriptive adjectives and qualitative adjectives. Both are the same kind of adjectives. Descriptive and qualitative are the same kind of adjectives. Then comes quantitative adjectives. Then comes demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, indefinite adjectives, articles, and compound adjectives. Now let's have a look at all of the kinds of adjectives one by one in detail. Well, the first one is the qualitative adjective, and it can also be called descriptive adjective. Let's see what is descriptive adjective and what is the function of a descriptive adjective. It describes a noun or a pronoun, and it tells us about the quality or state of a noun or a pronoun. So descriptive adjectives can also be called the qualitative adjectives. Can you see? Look at the examples. I have a fast car. So that fast car, fast is the word fast is actually the description of the attribute of the car. Okay, I saw a flying eagle. So what kind of eagle, or what, in which state I saw an eagle that was flying. Then comes quantitative adjectives. A quantitative adjective provides information about the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, and it answers the questions how much and how many. Let's have a look at the examples. I have 20 dirhams or AED in my wallet. So the 20 dirhams actually answers the question how much money do I have. Then comes they have 3 children. The word 3 answers the question how many children do they have. You should have completed the whole task. So the word whole is describing how much task was done or completed. Hopefully you get it. Now this is the time to discuss about the demonstrative adjectives. As the meaning of the word demonstrate means to point out or to refer to. So it directly points out or refer to something or someone. Demonstrative adjectives basically includes the words this, that, these, and those. We have 4 demonstrative adjectives, and these are the words this, that, these, and those. Look at the examples. This car is mine. So the word this actually refers to a singular noun close to the speaker. Possessive adjectives. It shows the possession, as a possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongings of something to someone or something. Let's have a look at examples. His cat is very cute. So whose cat is it? This is his cat, and the word his has been used with the noun, so it functions as a possessive adjective here. Well, interrogative adjectives asks a question. So the words that comes under the prospect of interrogative adjectives are which, what, and whose. These words will not be considered as adjectives if they are not used with the nouns, or if they are not followed by a noun or a pronoun. Let's have a look at the examples of interrogative adjectives. Which phone do you use? So the word which is describing phone. Okay, we are talking basically about phone, and we are asking which phone do you use, what game do you want to play, whose car is this. So the words what, whose, and which in these examples function as demonstrative, interrogative adjectives. Now let's talk about the compound adjectives. As the word suggests, compound means made up of two or more words. So when compound nouns are combined, or combined words modify other nouns, they become a compound adjective. Right? So this type of adjective basically combines more than one word into a single lexical unit. Single lexical unit means single meaningful unit, and they are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. The compound adjectives are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. Examples: I have a broken down sofa. Now the word broken down, which is a compound word, is describing the sofa, so it becomes compound adjective. I saw a 6-foot long snake. 6-foot long snake, 6-foot long word is describing the snake, so it is a compound word, that's why it becomes a compound adjective. After the completion of the lesson, let's talk about the success criteria. I think so now you, after listening to this audio,